Hello everyone. Today, we'll introduce the graphics library in embedded systems LVGL. The performance of microcontrollers is often relatively weak. If we desire it to operate with a graphical user interface, then we must select those graphics libraries that have been highly optimized. And LVGL meets this requirement. LVGL is an efficient, open-source graphics library. It is highly suitable for embedded systems and low-resource devices. Through LVGL, we can create attractive user interfaces, even achieving smooth animations and interactive effects. The most significant characteristic of LVGL is its low performance overhead. Requires only a 64 MHz clock frequency. Requires only 48 kilobytes of RAM and 100 kilobytes of flash to operate. Compared to other graphics libraries, LVGL also has excellent portability. Officially supports both C and Python languages. Whether it's microcontrollers, or single-board computers, or desktop operating systems, LVGL can be easily deployed on them. Additionally, LVGL is open source under the MIT license. It can be used commercially for free. To simplify the design process, LVGL offers robust design tools. For example, SquareLine Studio and the LVGL Simulator. These tools assist developers in achieving a "what you see is what you get" experience. Rapidly design exquisite UIs. Facilitate easy integration into the codebase. Reduce the development cycle. LVGL not only boasts comprehensive documentation and tools, but also has an active open source community. Developers can receive timely support and share their projects.